And the Supreme Court will on Monday 19 rule on the application filed by lawyers of Dr. Zanetor Rawlings challenging the powers of the High Court to sit on the eligibility of a candidature.
The incumbent MP for Klote-Korle, Neema Ashite, filed a suit to restrain Dr. Zanetor Rawlings from carrying herself as parliamentary aspirant of the constituency.
Neema Ashite is arguing Dr. Zanetor Rawlings did not qualify to be elected as a parliamentary nominee since at the time of the contest she was not a registered voter. The lawyers of Neema Ashite say it is a constitutional breach. However, the defendant is of the conviction the case is not within the jurisdiction of the High Court. Dr. Rawlings is seeking the Supreme Court to quash the previous rulings by the High Court and also seeking an order of prohibition directed to His Lordship Koku Akabuafo of the High Court. This is restraining His Lordship from proceeding to hear the case between the applicant and the interested parties. Counsel for Dr. Zanetor Rawlings, Godwin Tamaklo, argued the suit to the High Court was premature and should be regarded as such. He said the matter is about the interpretation of the Constitution, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. He stressed since the defendant has not submitted her nomination to the Electoral Commission, she has no way gone contrary to the Constitution. Gary Nimakoma, for arguing for the plaintiff, insisted the defendant has gone against the electoral laws of the land and should be disqualified. He is of the view the High Court has the jurisdiction to hear the case. There was confusion between both parties as to who interprets the NDC constitution, which the plaintiff is relying on to establish his argument. Dr. Zanetor Rawlings has subsequently registered as a voter ahead of the November 7 polls, but lawyers of incumbent Neema Ashite have said in the media it will not exonerate her.